Hello, Dr. Davis. This is my submission for the annual program part 2. So some pre-exercise basic measurements. My athlete stands at 5 feet 10 inches, weighs 180 pounds, and with a quick BMI calculation, 25.8% body fat. So as for the things that the athlete wants to improve on, the measurements I'm going to be taking, my athlete wants to achieve a 4.4 30-meter dash. The reason that I chose this as a parameter is that this measures the increase in speed, acceleration, and the usage of the anaerobic energy systems. This measurement or this parameter encases what sometimes happens in soccer, which is sometimes there's a 50-50 ball where players have to out sprint the other player to get possession of the ball, and so increasing this physical aspect of my athlete will better aid them in this situation. Another parameter I chose was to increase their vertical jump by 6 to 12 inches. The vertical jump is a good measurement of the power in their legs, which is the number one muscle used in soccer. The vertical jump is often used whenever there's a corner kick coming in and players jump to meet the ball in the air. Usually the player that jumps the highest is the one that wins the ball. So this could become by increasing this athletic trait, they could increase their performance in the game. The next parameter is to complete a mile in 5 minutes or under. I know like some of the top guys, they'll complete it in under 4 minutes, but my athlete in their specific case really isn't trying to become as fast as they possibly can, maybe just increase their speed a bit. So this mile is a measurement, running of the mile is a measurement of the aerobic energy systems, and also the ability to choose when to exert. So you don't want to go all out and then in the beginning and then burn out at the end, and then you won't make the time. Figuring out which points you need to maximize exertion or pull back on exertion will yield to a better performance. Also, in the context of soccer has 45-minute halves with no timeouts. So the conservation of energy and the exertion of energy when it matters most will aid in the prolonging of exhaustion during a match. One more parameter that I chose is to complete the shuttle run, the 5-10-5 shuttle run in under 4.5 seconds. Shuttle run is a good measurement of agility and quickness. Oftentimes in soccer, a person with the ball would have to turn away from a defender or to keep possession of the ball, or maybe perhaps they need to quickly move to a attacking player to defend them. So having good agility and quickness could really help in their performance of that. So those are my pre-exercise measurements, as well as the things that my athlete wants to improve on. Let me know if I need anything else. Thank you.